Hello everyone, this is Julian Popolov from the Agenda Management System team. The product owners for this project are Jay Alvarez de la Campa and Margaret Brisbane, and the mentor for this project is Dr. Masood Sajjadi. Today I'll be going over the searching for a procurement item by title user story. The description is as follows. It basically consists of having the ability to search for an item by title. So once we're taken to the results page, we can see all relevant columns displayed for that particular item. And the acceptance criteria is basically having an input string that returns all relevant items that contain that string. So if we take a look at the application here, this is a home page. And if we do a search by matter name, for example, we can do ITB. We click search. And as you can see, we are taken to a results page, which makes a query call to the search controller for this particular matter name. And we get the results based off of that. So the way we output the results is we have a React table that displays all relevant information depending on what the user searched for. So as you can see, we search for the ITB matter name, and we also get the information for those particular items, such as their contract number, who's assigned to this particular item, and the matter type, and etc. So it's really very simple and effective. If we do ITB item 1, for example, we only get the information for this particular item. So yeah, that's basically the main idea behind this particular user story. In terms of the code and the framework behind it, the modifications were made to these three main files: navigation.js, search modal, and search controller. In terms of what was edited in this navigation file, it's pretty much having the logic for the search functionality. So for example, we have several on-change functions depending on if the user does a regular search or an advanced search. In our case, we did a search by matter name, and this is basically the queries that take the state of the query that was taken in, and we then, via the submit search form function, we redirect them to the results page, as you can see here. And in terms of the actual render, this is where we render the submit and the search button, and we link the search model for the advanced search down here. The search modal, this is mainly a file for advanced search, and it basically contains all the fields for the different types of advanced search filters we have in the application. And the search controller is pretty much the whole logic behind making a call to the database and returning a query based on user input. So you can see here we select other different columns from our matter table in the database. We have here the select statements for the query, for the search. And down here we have the advanced search functions which contains all the logic for the advanced search. So yeah, that's basically the main idea behind the search. As always, if you have further questions about this, you can contact Dr. Masood Sajjadi or myself via the following information. Thank you.